Not every mansion is meant to be seen. Some are built for the world to admire. Others are hidden, intentionally shielded from the public eye. I was out capturing Abuja's roads, just another routine drone shot, when something caught my attention. At first, it was just a glimpse between the trees, barely noticeable, but as I changed my angle, I saw it. A massive mansion, completely secluded, almost as if it wasn't supposed to be found. What's crazy? Even with its size, this estate is almost invisible from the streets. Tall trees and thick greenery surround it like a natural fortress, blocking it from public view. No one talks about it. No one even seems to know it exists. And when I searched online, nothing. No records, no articles, no buzz. Of course, I had to be respectful. I didn't want to invade anyone's privacy. But standing there, looking at this grand estate tucked away in the most prestigious part of Abuja, I couldn't help but wonder, who owns this? Why is it so hidden? And just how luxurious is this property inside? Before we dive in, if you love luxury homes and exclusive discoveries, make sure you join my Telegram channel for first-hand information before it goes live. The link is in the description. Welcome to another episode of Mansion Tour with Stunner, where we tour stunning homes together. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Maitama Minister's Hill is not just another luxury neighborhood. This is Abuja's most exclusive residential area, home to high-ranking politicians, diplomats, and Nigeria's wealthiest elites. Unlike other parts of Maitama, Minister's Hill offers seclusion at another level. The estates here are built on elevated land, giving residents breathtaking views of the city while maintaining absolute privacy. Security here is tight and access is restricted to only a few. You won't find casual visitors or unnecessary traffic. Every property is built with one goal: discretion and exclusivity. And this mansion, it blends so well into the landscape that even after years of driving through Maitama, I had never noticed it before. If not for that drone shot, I still wouldn't have known it existed. Let's break it down. Mike Adenuga's mansion in Banana Island is one of Nigeria's most famous billionaire homes. It sits on a massive piece of land in one of the most expensive gated communities in Lagos. The house is rumored to be worth over 10 million plus, with luxurious features, unmatched privacy, and top-tier security. But this Maitama Mansion, it's on another level when it comes to land size and prestige. Maitama is known for hosting political elites, foreign ambassadors, and high-net-worth individuals. And guess what? Senator Dino Melaye lives right in this neighborhood, just to give you an idea of the kind of wealth we're talking about here. This Maitama Mansion is in the heart of Abuja, surrounded by top government officials and foreign dignitaries. The question is, could this be the most expensive mansion in Abuja? Then we have Aliyu Abubakar's mansion, standing tall opposite Transcorp Hilton, one of the most expensive hotels in West Africa. This mansion is undeniably massive, known for its extravagant design, high-profile gatherings, and prime location in the heart of Abuja. But now we have this mystery mansion in Maitama Minister's Hill, and I can confidently say that it stands on another level when it comes to land size, privacy, and exclusivity. Here's the truth: if land determines value, then this Maitama estate is on a completely different level. Considering its privacy and exclusivity, I wouldn't be surprised if it's worth more than Aliyu Abubakar's mansion. What's fascinating is that no one seems to know about this mansion. It's not viral, it's not on blogs, and even many locals are unaware of its existence. It took a random drone flight for me to find it, and even then I almost missed it. So who owns it? What's inside? And how much is this estate really worth? That we may never know. But what I do know is that Maitama Minister's Hill remains Abuja's most discreet luxury address, and homes like this prove why. Now here's the deal. Before I post new discoveries, my Telegram community gets first-hand access. In fact, when I asked them about this mansion, not a single person had heard of it. So if you want exclusive real estate updates, behind-the-scenes clips, and first looks at Abuja's most hidden mansions, join my Telegram now. Link is in the description. And if you love content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because my next discovery might just be even bigger.